Hi, my name is Advocate Jahangir. I am a lawyer of High Court in Pakistan. I live in Lahore. My hometown is Lahore, and I practice law in every field of law. So the topic upon which today I am gonna talk about is cyber security, online scamming. And before diving into today's topic, I would like to tell all of you people and my viewers about my contact number and my office address. So my contact number is +92 324 413 9397, and my office address is house number 14, street number 2, Farooq, Lahore. So, and I also like to request all of you who are watching me and listening me to like, follow, subscribe, and share as much as possible on my all social media accounts and wherever you will see and watch my videos. It's for the betterment of the society and community and for all of you. I'm not just working for my own livelihood, but also I am working and I also study in order to find the solutions and legal solutions of all the legal problems of all of you. So let's talk about our today's topic, which is about cyber security and online scamming. So what scamming is? Scamming is fraudulently extorting the money from someone, and online scamming is fraudulently extorting the money from someone by deceiving someone, and through online means. It comes in the ambit of online cyber security crime. Cyber means online crime which happens from technology by using the technology, and where a criminal uses the technology and online platforms. So if by chance if any of you uh, get scammed by a scammer, or if any of you got deceived by someone, and deceived by someone who asked you to transfer money, or by mistake, or unintentionally, and due to your negligence or illiteracy, you people transfer your money into the account of someone and to someone else. Then what remedies would be available to you people in the law? So, as there is a law for any crime and any place, or any country in the world. Similarly, in Pakistan too, there are some departments, authorities who deal with and cater these types of online crimes. These crimes can be committed by different means, and some examples are like, for instance, someone calls you and ask you that you have won a lottery, and that you have won a certain car in a draw in an unknown draw which you don't know, and which you never have had participated in your life. Then and they can ask you, and the scammers can ask you to transfer a certain amount of money into their bank accounts, or just cash, or other mobile accounts, and they can ask you to transfer and to give them the money by hand, or to their representative. And when you and the moment you transfer the money online to them, or give the details about your cards and bank information, and then they suddenly they took your money, and suddenly disappeared. The other example of online scamming is like asking you people to invest in their online business, like forex, Bitcoin, real estate, etc., and in which they give you the false bribe that, and give you the false assurances that they are gonna increase your profit to 10 to 20%, or even higher than that, and that there are they are by their acute business tactics, they are going to make you rich within days or months, if you will invest with them and become their partner. But when you invest in them, they suddenly wind up their business, online business, and suddenly disappear, and you have nothing to do, and there comes no solution in your mind that how you can get your money back. There is some other instances and examples, like where an authoritative a person impersonate himself, or a representative woman, or a person, anyone impersonate himself or herself from responsible and authoritative department, like Park Army, and ask you and threaten you that they are gonna take action against you, and they are gonna conduct a certain inquiry against you if you will not give them the certain amount of money, or transfer certain amount of money. And similarly, there are some ways where they someone like from insurance companies ask you to give them their details, or some they pretend to be a banking representative, or a representative of some service provider, some like telecommunication service provider. They ask you to give them your details, name, contact number, bank account details, or your ATM cards detail, and they when you and after when the conversation and then you find out that a huge amount of money has been withdrawn from your accounts. So whenever this happens to you, then most of you people find themselves in a very confusing situation, and they start brainstorming and thinking about the ways to get their money back. So today I'm gonna talk about these same remedies and ways we are, and also gonna talk about what remedies available in law if these types of crimes happen with you. So there are basically three main organizations and departments which deal with these types of crimes in Pakistan. One main organization or department which deals with these types of crimes and where you can lodge your complaint is the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority, and whose acronym is PTA. And the second one is Federal Investigation Agency, and whose short form is FIA, and the third department of government who can institute crime against the is the police of Pakistan. These are the three forums where you can lodge your complaint, either written or online through their email or by calling to them. They all of them have their own sites. They have their own physical offices too in different places and of Pakistan and different cities Pakistan. And whenever you by chance get scammed and tricked by this type of criminal offense, then you have the choice to lodge your complaint to all three departments. And if for instance if someone doesn't listen to you, then you have a choice to contact me. As I have told you about my contact number and about my address at the very starting of the video, and I will tell you also at the end of this video. So now I would like to discuss and tell all of you the relevant legislation which is available in Pakistan until today, in order to get and tackle these types of and deal with these types of cybersecurity crime. The very first um, legislation on which I am gonna talk about or strategy is cybersecurity strategy for telecom sector 2023 to 2028. The second one law is the prevention of and the very famous law is the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act 2016. This act describes how and electronic crimes can be prevented and what are the ways. The third one is the National Cyber Security Policy 2021, which has been enacted in 2021. And the fourth one is Personal Data Protection Bill 2021. And the fifth one is Prevention of Electronic Crimes Investigation Laws 2028. The sixth one is Critical Telecom Data and Infrastructure Security Regulation 2020. And the seventh one is National Cyber Security Framework for Telecom Assessment Criteria and Guidelines. And there is also more addition. NBP Internet Banking Web Application Privacy Policy. So these are the some laws which deal with cybersecurity and online scamming, and through which crimes of such types are being stopped. And now I would like to share with all of you an example where so I was talking about that. Now I am gonna tell you people about an example and the real life and the biggest example which happened just few years back, and it was the biggest and most popular example and the biggest scam which happened ever in Pakistan. So there was a company named P slash in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. It's a northern province of Pakistan, and they also used to run their businesses on online platforms, and they used to persuade people to invest in their businesses. They used to claim that they have the business of forex, Bitcoin, and real estate trading. And they used to say to people that invest with them and become the partner with them, and they are gonna increase their profit to more than 13%. And till the number I don't remember its years, but in number 19 they have nearly 100 one 105 triple zero investors, nearly more than 100K, and the total income and the revenue which they have generated by scamming the people was nearly 5.6 billion Pakistani rupees. And the next day, they said that people trusted about them, and then actually on a 20 number, they said when they had scammed 5.6 billion, and they had the investors of 105 triple zero. Then the next day on 20 number, they said that their system has been hacked, and after that they suddenly disappeared. People who had invested in them started becoming restless, and they started about thinking in the ways of getting their money back, and they started about finding the ways and approaching to different departments, and in these victims are not just illiterate and uneducated people, but also the educated people, even lawyers and highly talented and literate people who are included. They approached the, as earlier described, department like Federal Investigation Agency and Pakistan Telecommunication Agency and police, but in a very latest stage. And the inquiry really happened, but till that time, the company had ran away. That company is, it is said that that company's CEO and owner name was Rabia Batul, and that company, whenever I used to talk with their investors, then that company used to claim its affiliation with the and its registration with the CSEP, Company Security Exchange of Pakistan, abbreviation of Security Exchange of Pakistan. But in reality, they were not registered with the CSEP, Company Security Exchange of Pakistan. And with the passage of time, this company changed its names from three names. As of earlier, they have the names of on Bitcoin, and then they substituted their name to Pay Slash, and then they changed their name to P Slash. The main reason of telling you people is that whenever a scam is being committed with you, an online scam is committed with you, then you should take action as early as possible. Try to contact me as early as possible because I have I I deal with cyber crimes and cyber scams too, and I would feel privileged to serve you people. I have told you my contact number and my office address, and I again will tell you that my contact number is +923244139397, and my residential office address is house number 14, street number 2, Rugline Road. This is also my residential address, and here you can approach me from 8 to 3 p.m. and Pakistani time. And I would feel happy to serve you people. And next time, for today, this is it. And next time, I would come in front of all of you by bringing some other topic and by reading upon some other topic. As I have a very limited time in a day, and as I also have just 24 hours in a day, that's why I feel difficulty to share a lot of content with information with all of you and talk with all of you for a longer period of time. And today's video is also was not comprehensive. Was also not comprehensive, but I have tried to at least give you some tricks and tell you some ways that how you can use of your money. You can also lodge your complaint to police who is duty bound to register your FIR, first information report, and duty bound to initiate an inquiry and investigation on the land offense. But if they don't do so, then again they contact me and approach me. If you people like my video, then kindly like, share, subscribe, and follow my accounts and videos, and share it as much as possible. And don't hesitate to contact me in case you need any consultancy. My online consultancy fees is as 5,000. Take care. But if you people would have some case and then I would just charge you for that case, and I would get your that legal work done by me. And uh, yeah, it was very good to meet all of you people. So for this time, this is for today. This is just it. Next time I will come to with some other topic and with some other information for all of you and for the betterment of the humanity. Thank you. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.